it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time at my channel, then you may not know that I've been kind of going through like a funk, I guess you could say, of what to do with my channel. You should definitely go and check out my last week's vlog, which I kind of explained like my struggles and everything that I've been going through as a small YouTuber. So frustrating. So anyways, this week I totally didn't know what I was going to do. You should start posting things that are relevant to what you're going through right now, because that makes sense, right? Today's Monday, by the way. I'm filming this on a Monday. But on Wednesday, I am leaving for Portland, and I figured, why not make a video, a travel video, not a travel video, what I bring in my carry-on type of video. Because I think I'm pretty good at packing. I did go to Cabo last year and I packed a week's worth of clothes in one backpack, so I mean that's pretty good. If you are new to my channel, definitely check out my videos. It's always appreciated if you want to subscribe, just throwing that out there. Let's get started into the video now. Okay, so first of all, the most important thing is obviously a bag, which I'm gonna bring my Adidas backpack. You know those jokes that start off as jokes and you're like making fun of it and then it becomes what you call it? That's what happened here. Okay, my Adidas backpack. I just call it Adidas because it sounds cooler and it was a joke and now it just stuck, so it's Adidas. But so I'm bringing my Adidas backpack. I really like it because it has like a separate compartment for your laptop, and even though I don't bring my laptop usually, I just like that it's kind of separated and you can like put clothes in the back or a notebook or whatever you're bringing. I really like that. Okay, that's all I have to say about that. Alright, so once I have my bag, then obviously I need to check the weather. I would think this is an obvious thing, but you never know. Like, just because it's summer where you are, like, doesn't mean it's gonna feel the same somewhere else, if you catch my drift. So yeah, what I do is just check the weather, usually a couple days before when I pack, because I usually am very prepared and I pack ahead of time. Yeah, so just check the weather. If it's 110 here, and in Portland, it's gonna be in the 70s. To me, that's colder. So I would definitely bring pants or jeans or even a jacket for the nighttime if I go out. Totally depends and sets the mood for like what I'm gonna be bringing. So definitely check the weather before you go. So the first thing I always do is plan my travel outfit. And usually, pro tip, that should be like your biggest, like, I don't know how to say it, if I'm saying it right. Like your biggest articles of clothing that you don't want to pack. It's going to take up a lot of space in your backpack, like if you're packing a jacket and sneakers and all this stuff. So like travel day outfits, I always try and bring the most amount of things that I can wear on me. That way you're saving space for outfits throughout the week. So like for my travel outfit, I'm going to be bringing some black skinny jeans, a t-shirt, and then a jean jacket to go over in case I need it for nighttime during the week. And then I'm also wearing my sneakers on the plane, and then that way I can bring sandals, because sandals are like super compact and small, and that way it won't take up space. So definitely wear like your biggest articles of clothing on the plane when you travel, because then you have more space to pack other things that you might need. Usually my travel day outfit is also the outfit that I will wear on the way home. So it's kind of like covering, what do you call that? Killing a bird with two stones. It's just something I can use twice, basically. Lucky for me, I'm arriving at nighttime, so it's not like it's gonna get dirty or I'm gonna wear it all day or sweat in it, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna have that outfit, my travel outfit, for Wednesday and Saturday when I come home, and that means I need a Thursday and a Friday outfit. And then, like I said before, packing your sandals, because those are really slim and small. They can just fit in that little compartment, and that's great. It's also like a pro tip is if you're packing light, to pack things that are like versatile. So a pair of shorts that can go with 3 different tops, or like, you know, one shirt that's neutral, like white or black or whatever, and it can go with any kind of bottoms. Like if you have like versatile clothing that can go with anything, or like neutral clothing that goes with anything, then you have multiple outfits. That's a tip too, which I usually like to do, but I don't know if I'm doing that this time, but you know, just a tip in case someone out there needs it. So once I have my outfits, then I bring my underwear and all that shiz that, you know, I'm not gonna show, and then maybe some socks, and that's about it. Oh, and I also like to bring a pair of pajamas because I wear pajamas, so yeah. Okay, next up is the toiletries and my makeup. So for toiletries, you know they have that 1 quart bag for all your liquids or whatever. So 1 quart bag, I think you can only have 1 per person. It has to be like 1, I don't know. I'll put it in. Either this is the bag I'm gonna put everything that's liquid in, like my perfume, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, all that stuff. And then another cool tip that I've seen people do before is to put like your liquid foundation and lotion into little contact cases, because that saves so much space. Like if you think about it, you don't need a big bottle of lotion to go on like a 2-day trip. So if you just pump out a few things of that and put it in a contact case, and usually I like to mark it like L for lotion, F for foundation, you get the point. That saves so much space, and I've done this before and so far so good. Nothing bad has happened, but I will let you know. So yeah, I packed all my liquids in that bag. And then for makeup, like this time around, I was like, I'm not bringing anything because my skin's been looking good, so I'm gonna try and go makeup free for most of the way. So I just need like an eyebrow pencil, maybe a concealer, and then my beauty blender, and what else? I think honestly that might be it. And then anything that's not like a liquid, like my deodorant, what else? All the other things that aren't liquids, I'm just gonna put in a little travel bag, and then I'll be ready to go. I also like to pack the obvious things like a phone charger, and I'm also bringing my camera just to like take video or take pictures or whatever. I want to take like my memory card and my charger for my battery, and other than that, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that is gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you learned something new. Maybe something helped you condense everything and pack lighter, or not, I don't know. That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next Sunday. Bye!